Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the DIY Detail Rotary Cord Free Polisher on this car. I bought it with no battery and no charger because it's a little bit more complicated here in Hungary to get hold of those ones. However, it works with the standard Makita batteries, so I bought some brand new Makita batteries and charger to complement it. And yeah, it has a 5 and 6 inches backing plate in the box, so we are going to try out with both, which one works better, at least for me. In general, I'm not really keen on the 6 inches, but yeah, we'll see. Maybe I will like it after this experience. Anywho, let's roll.
A couple 100 miles away, denying that something has changed. You're blaming me too complicated, but I will never stay the same. So I will drive and drive and drive and drive, baby, just so I can make it through the night. Yeah, I will drive and drive and drive and drive, so we can try to make it simple, try to talk about what's on our mind.
Alrighty, boys and girls, that was the rotary, cordless rotary from DIY Detail. All in all, I liked it. It's a good machine. It has a very good ergonomy. When you use it, it feels like you don't have anything in your hand at all. It's really nice and balanced. However, there is a little bit of an issue, and actually it's, this information is available in the DIY Detail Facebook group. For the very first series, there is a problem that at this point, it moves a bit. Some screws were not fastened apparently properly. I will need to check with the reseller in my region if it's something that I can do myself. In the meantime, I had to move to the garage to the shadow because the camera started to overheat. Yeah, so again, it is something I need to check with my reseller if I'm allowed to take the polisher apart or to disassemble it, because obviously I can fasten some screws myself, but maybe they will say that no, I need to return it and then they will fix it and then I will get it back. Anywho, all in all, I could feel that it worked better with the 6 inches pad. In general, I'm not very keen on the 6 inches pad, but on this particular occasion, it was working with the 6 inches a bit better than with the 5. With the 5, it felt like too powerful, even on the lowest level for me, at least. Yeah, all in all, if I take away this little mishap, and also I need to show one more thing. Hold on, let me just grab it again. Yeah, so the other thing I didn't really like, but obviously it will change. And obviously now it's dark because I moved in. Anyway, so as you have to put the battery here, and the battery is new and the machine is new, it is very tight. So sometimes you need to fight with it to remove the battery. Obviously it will wear off a bit and then it will be much easier. But right now, keep in mind that it's very difficult sometimes to remove the battery. Yeah, other than that, I can altogether hands-on heart recommend. I always wanted to have a cordless rotary like this, and now finally I have it. This is their first cordless rotary, so maybe it needs a little bit of fine-tuning. But all in all, again, I can hands-on heart recommend, other than these teething problems. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.